Have you tried getting Claude Opus 4.7 for free after watching random YouTube tutorial? But every time something breaks. API issue, setup error, local model problem, or just doesn't work inside the VS Code, then this video is for you. Today I'll show you the easiest and most trusted way to use Claude Opus 4.7 directly inside the Visual Studio Code, completely free, without any local model setup, without powerful PC, and without complicated configuration. We are using the OpenRouter extension inside the VS Code to get Claude Opus for free, connecting everything step by step, and by the end of this video you will be building a real project with Claude Opus 4.7 inside your editor in free of cost. So are you excited? Let's get started. Okay, let's start. I will show you the each and every step. In today's video we are going to use popular model like Opus, ChatGPT and Gemini latest model in free of cost. First go to the ATXP. First go to your favorite browser and search ATXP. You can find this atxp.chat. Here it will also mention that chat with Claude Opus 4.7 for free. You can see it will provide Opus, Gemini, ChatGPT, Grok for free of cost in your Visual Studio Code. Okay, get started. From here, first we need to create account. Here you can create your account using email. I'm going to continue from my Google account. After that you are landed here on the ATXP chat home screen. From here you can choose any model that you want. All are free for you. Okay, now after that, if you can see here, your profile will be appear here, then click it, then here it will show your balance. Currently it will show 1.44 will be available. Sometime it will show $3 will be available. Then don't worry, we are going to earn nearly $20 from here. First click it here. This is the open class and sign up and launch. By using it, we are going to earn the credit. After you have earned 25 credit, then you can easily using it in your system. Here, select the model and launch the agent and provide any email. Just provide the random email. Hello 123. Confirm. Connect the messaging app. Select anyone. I'm going to select the Telegram. Confirm messaging app. Now top up the balance. This is the most important things you need to know about it. Okay, if you directly try to enter payment method detail here, then you can get error. Then how you need to do? From here you can see auto top up setting. Click on here and click on add card button, and you need to provide the card number. But don't worry, I am here. I will provide you the one sample card number. Okay, use this card number. This is not the actual card number. This is the sample card number. You all can use this card number. Provide any expiry date, but you need to provide a valid number. I'll provide 29. CBC will be 234 and save the card, and it will verify you are human or not. Card is saving. You can see payment method saved successfully without any error. Then when balance drop below, set 1, charge this amount until 20 and save setting. Now setting will be completed. If you can see until here $3.19 will be available. Then here $1.44 will be available. Now in real time, if you can see my time as well, I will reload it. Then you can see $10.19 will be available here. Now this aid payment reward will not available until now. I'll save it from here. Setting saved successfully, and again I will reload it, and let's see, still it will not rewarded, still it will pending here. If you can see, oh, I forget to enable this automatic top up. Just select this automatic top up and save the setting. Now setting saved successfully, and if I reload here, then my balance will be changed. You can see now my balance is $20.19. If you can see, I will do it all in real time. I will earn this all the rewarded. This is provided by ATXP. By using this balance, you can use any popular and latest model inside your VS Code. Now go to the developer section, and here is the server. Click it here, then select the server, and we will require this connection string here. Copy this connection string. Then next task, we need to connect this model through the open provider. Then we need to go to open provider website. Then after that, go to this link, provided by open provider. I'll provide this link in my video description. After that, here is the model section. Select this model, and here also you need to use the same account that you have used in the ATXP website and log in with the same account. After that, all the model will be available. You can explore this website later, but for now I will only focus on and the purpose that we are going to. Here you can and see your account, and here is the provider setup will be available. Then if you can see, here will be the different model will be available. We need only one model, which is ATXP LLM gateway. Currently it will missing. We need to enable the key and just paste the key that you are copy from here. Copy it again. If you are missing, then paste it here and save it. Then if you can check it, now it will be successfully configured. If you can see here, it will also mention ATXP OpenAI compatible LLM gateway with the dynamic catalog. Discover across GPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek and other. This part is also completed. Now, only one thing is required. We need to connect it inside our Visual Studio Code. I have already opened my Visual Studio Code. Currently, this is the test feature folder that I have opened. I will demonstrate you by using it, and if possible, I will also show you by creating one at least simple project. Then you will go to the extension section, and here source the open provider. Then you can find this BK007. Okay, then install it. Trust, publish and install. Currently only 300 it will be downloaded because this is the new things. That's why I want to explore, I want to share with you. And with the collaboration of ATXP and OpenRouter, it will provide you free of cost for certain time. Okay, I don't know how much time it is, it didn't mention, but it will be freely available here. After you have installed this package, in some time it will be available here, OpenRouter, auto and free. Before signing, I'll mention one thing. You need to sign in with the same email that you have login with open provider. Okay, click on sign in. Now you can see OpenRouter is connected. You can close this browser tab and return to the VS Code. We can easily use any model that you want inside our VS Code. Here, then you need to click on this chat section. Then chat section will be open. Here only this model will be available, but other than this model you need to pay it. But we have used the OpenRouter, that's why select this other model, and from here, from this OpenRouter, you can easily use this DeepSeek model as well. You can use this Claude Opus 4.7 mini model as well. Let's select the Claude Opus 4.7 model and let's chat with it. Hi, you can see it will say hi with the Claude Opus. Let's ask which model is it? Which model is it? I'm GitHub Copilot using the Claude Opus 4.7. But this is not from GitHub Copilot. We are using this from the OpenRouter. By this way, you can easily use the Claude Opus 4.7 through the OpenRouter and ATXP inside your Visual Studio Code. I have asked this question and it will start to work on it. It will take some time to complete this. Let's wait until it and we'll see how is it work. And it will also already mention that I'll create a fully functional BMI calculator with a modern pulse design in your test feature folder that I have created. You can see until now there is no any file inside my test feature folder. You can see it will create the file. This file is already reflected on here. It will mention, do you want to keep this file as? I'll keep it. Now it will ready to use. How to run? Just open the index.in in your browser. Let's see. I'm not a web developer, that's why I didn't have live server. First I will install this live server extension and I'll show you how is it look. Now live server is already reflected here. I'll click on go live. Now you can see how much awesome is it. His design is awesome, working it perfectly. It will separately created for male and female. Let's mention my age is 25. From here you can increase or decrease your age. Is 165 cm height, weight is 60, and calculate the BMI. It will show you are is in the normal range. My BMI is 22 and great, your BMI within the healthy range. You can also reset and start the new as well. Wow, how much awesome is it? I'll back to my code. By this way you can easily use Claude Opus 4.7, and if you need you can easily edit this file as well. If you can click on any file, then this file is reflected here. We have achieved it using Claude Opus 4.7. How much awesome is it? Okay, that's it for today's video. If you want this type of awesome AI content, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye, we'll meet you on the next video.